Hello everyone, welcome to MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Question number 1. Does Section 498A of the IPC, which deals with cruelty by a husband or his relatives, apply to same-sex relationships? Option A. Yes, it applies to all live-in and marital relationships. Option B. No, it applies only to heterosexual husband-wife relationships. Option C. Yes, if the partners live together for more than 6 months. And option D. It applies only after registration of marriage. The correct answer is option B. As per the plea being considered by the Delhi High Court in Simi Patwa versus State, Section 498A of the IPC requires the complainant to be a wife and the accused to be a husband. The petitioner argues that since the law presupposes a heterosexual marriage, it cannot be invoked in same-sex relationships. Justice Sanjeev Narula has issued notice to examine this legal question. Question number 2. Under which conditions can the right to worship under Article 25 of the Constitution be restricted? Option A. Only by wishes of temple authorities. Option B. By any administrative order of the state. Option C. Only on grounds of public order, morality or health. And option D. On any ground the state deems necessary. The correct answer is option C. In Padam Sharma and others versus State of Himachal Pradesh and others, the Himachal Pradesh High Court held that the right to worship is a fundamental right under Articles 25 and 26 and it cannot be curtailed arbitrarily. The court emphasized that restrictions are valid only if they are reasonable, proportionate and based on public order, morality or health, the three constitutionality permitted grounds. Question number 3. Who was the second woman judge of the Supreme Court of India? Option A. Sujata V. Manohar. Option B. M. Fatima Bibi. Option C. Laila Seth. And option D. Rooma Pal. The correct answer is option A. The second woman judge of the Supreme Court of India was Sujata V. Manohar, who was appointed on 8th of November 1994, making her the second woman to hold this position. M. Fatima Bibi was the first woman judge of the Supreme Court appointed on October 6, 1989. Laila Seth was the first Chief Justice of the State High Court, Himachal Pradesh High Court, but not a Supreme Court judge in the chronological order. Rooma Pal was the third woman judge of the Supreme Court appointed on 28th of January 2000. Question number 4. Whether joint Hindu family or Hindu undivided family, option A, is a legal entity like a company. Option B is a juristic person. Option C is not a juristic person. And option D is a partnership firm. The correct answer is option C. A Hindu undivided family does not have a legal entity distinct from its members and is not considered a juristic person, while it is considered as a distinct unit for specific purposes like taxation. It is represented by its karta or head and is not a legal entity like a company. Question number 5. The maxim injuria non excusat injuriam means, option A, one wrong does not justify another. Option B, one has to pay for the injury caused. Option C, there is no excuse for causing injury. And option D, an eye for an eye. The correct answer is option A. Injuria non excusat injuriam is a Latin phrase that directly translates to injury does not excuse injury. This means that if someone has wronged you, it does not give you the right to wrong them back. It's the time for practice question. Which of the following persons is not entitled to maintenance under Section 125 CRPC from a man who has sufficient means and refuses to maintain them? Option A, the man's wife. Option B, the man's illegitimate minor child. Option C, daughter-in-law. And option D, the man's father. Pin down your answers in the comment section below.